At first glance, the Triumph Rocket 3 looks like it's straight out of a superhero movie. Massive, muscular, and unapologetically bold. But don't mistake it for just another cruiser. It's in a league of its own. This engine pumps out a mind-blowing 165 horsepower and an earth-shaking 163 pound-foot of torque. That's not just strong, it's the highest torque of ANY production bike. Harley's? Nowhere close. The Rocket 3 isn't just about raw power. Its design is a mix of futuristic muscle and refined British engineering. Long, low stance, fat rear tire, and aggressive lines, it looks like it's ready to eat the road alive. Yes, it's heavy, over 640 pounds. But thanks to its aluminum frame and advanced suspension, the Rocket 3 handles far better than you'd expect. It's not just a straight-line monster, it actually carves corners with confidence. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Harley-Davidson is known for big cruisers like the Fat Boy or Road Glide. But when you compare numbers, horsepower, torque, acceleration, Harleys look like toys next to the Rocket 3R. Surprisingly, the Rocket 3 can tour. With its stable ride and optional accessories like saddlebags and windshields, you can actually take this monster cross-country. It's not just a weekend toy. Here's the big question: how much does it cost? The Triumph Rocket 3 starts at around $23,000. Expensive? Yes, but compared to high-end Harleys, it's actually a bargain considering the performance. Triumph has built a strong reputation for reliability in recent years. The Rocket 3 isn't just a one-hit wonder, it's a well-engineered machine built to last, even under that massive torque load. So, does the Triumph Rocket 3 make Harleys look weak? In terms of raw performance and tech, absolutely. It's not just a cruiser, it's a muscle-bound rocket ship on two wheels. Harley riders, you've been warned. Thanks for watching Ride Class. Would you trade your Harley for a Triumph Rocket 3R? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insane motorcycle reviews. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.